guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby Kumar, and today's video I'm very excited to do. I'll be doing my first ever unboxing video, and I figured it's fitting because it's been almost 10 years since I bought a new MacBook. So this is going to be for the MacBook Pro 13-inch 2020 version. And yeah, the one I have is a 2011. It's pretty old. I'll go over that in a little bit, but I want to just go and get right into it, keep the intro short. I'll be showing you what's inside the box, my first impression of it, setting it up, and also just some accessories that I got for it. Okay, so I hope that's enough light. Let's go ahead and open. I don't even know where to start. Okay, we'll start here. So I'm gonna try and give two different angles. I have a camera up there. I'm getting very techie today, but I don't know which one's gonna be the best. Oh, okay, Abby. There's a tab here that you can just pull. I don't know why I went and got, okay, that was easy. Here it is, MacBook Pro. Actually, they make the packaging pretty easy. So this actually came in yesterday. Get rid of that box. This came in yesterday. I was expecting it to come in the morning, or I thought it was gonna come in the morning, but it ended up coming like later in the evening. And I wanted to film this video yesterday, but that's okay, I'm filming it today. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. I wonder if this is too much light. Let me put the light down a little bit so you can see it better. That's better. I'm really excited to open this. So I want to get to that part that everybody does that I guess is like the best part or something, where you just peel this little sticker off. Actually, it is kind of satisfying. There's something about it. Okay, get rid of that. And at some point, I'll probably do some voiceovers because, if you're new to my channel, I am a mom. I have an 18-month-old son, and sometimes he just appears and he might show up in this video. But yeah, so once you get that piece off, you just go and open it. Now, one thing, I always keep the box of like expensive tech gear. I can just share with you a short story. Back like in 2000, actually before I got my 2011 MacBook, which is over there, I was burglarized. Everything that was in my apartment that was of value, and some not even of value, was stolen. Luckily, I kept the boxes of my I had 2 laptops plus a desktop computer that was stolen, and just keeping the box actually helped with my insurance claim because I had renter's insurance, and it actually just sped up the whole process. I was able to get reimbursed and buy a new laptop that I needed, very badly. So when you open the box and you take the laptop out, the laptop fits right in there. It comes with its charger. Wait, is this the charger? Wow, yeah, so it looks a little different. Mind you, I told you the last time I bought a MacBook was in 2011. So these are, I guess, how the new chargers look like. This will be for the wall outlet. Okay. Yeah, so that comes with that, and I guess that's everything in the box. So that's it. It comes with the laptop and the charger. I'll get rid of that. And then also some instructions. Oh, okay. Now, I've been hearing about this. So the new thing is, oh wow, Abby, I just banged it on my desk. All right. But anyway, so that's what it looks like when it comes out the box. And there is one thing that is different I've been reading about, and I wasn't really sure what it would look like, but Apple now only comes, or MacBooks now only come with the Thunderbolt ports. So if you plug in USB, so like stuff that I plug in my memory cards in my old one, all the USB cables. So now I have to order a new accessory that I can just get from Amazon today. I wish I would have bought it. I didn't really, like I said, when I ordered this, it's because my laptop was dying. And I needed a new one, and I just knew I needed it, and I just ordered it. I wasn't even actually paying attention to the fact that Apple just released a new laptop, or a new MacBook Pro. So let me just go ahead and finish opening this up. It's actually very light. I like the look of it and the feel compared to, like I said, compared to the 2011 one I have. I'll show you that one. It's actually plugged into this computer or this monitor, and I did another video of that in the past where I showed you how I did this setup to get the iMac look on a budget. So I'll link that video. But let's go ahead. That's everything that's in the box. So let's just go ahead and open this up. Looks like this. Wow. Oh, okay. I guess it turns on automatically. This is so nice. I'm gonna do a comparison with my old one at the end. I just want to go ahead and get this set up and just show you what it, looks like. So for the setup, we're gonna go ahead and go with English. Actually, it might be better this way because that, like, United States. Okay guys, so the setup itself is pretty self-explanatory, so I figured I will just go over the specs of the laptop that I purchased. So I bought the 13-inch MacBook Pro, and I got it in silver, not the ever so popular space gray, and it came with an 8GB memory and 256GB of storage. Also has a 13-inch Retina display with True Tone, and if you're not sure what True Tone is, it's just a feature that automatically monitors the light in an environment and adjusts the screen so that the images appear more natural. And this MacBook comes with 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports. So there are no USB ports, no ports for headphones, no memory card slots, just the Thunderbolt. And then it also has a touch bar and touch ID, and this gives you intuitive shortcuts and app controls right at the top of the keyboard, so that's less typing. And then it also has touch ID, which is like the same as your iPhone or iPad, where you can actually unlock your laptop with your fingerprint, or you can also make purchases, and the setup allows you to set your fingerprint. And then it also has the backlit Magic Keyboard, which I don't really understand because I thought the Magic Keyboard was the wireless keyboard, but this comes with that as well. So if anybody there knows what the Magic Keyboard, what it means, please let me know in the comments below. The price of this laptop was $1,299, plus there was a $4 recycling fee, and then also there was tax. The shipping was free. The total came up to $1,416.66, and this is actually the cheapest MacBook Pro available. So this is a 13-inch, and I didn't get any upgrades if you're wondering. So this is the cheapest version available, and I live in California if you're wondering about the tax. So all in all, my first impressions of it are great. I really like the laptop. It is very light, and I want to compare it to what I had before. So this is what it looks like. I might as well just do a little. So looking at the two, I want to compare my old laptop. So if you look, this thing is like a dinosaur. It's like, it's heavy. I've had this since 2011. Let's see how big that is? Now, I can barely even hold this with one hand. So this is the new one, and this is my old one. You'll see the new and the old. Now, I'm sure nobody has a 2011 MacBook Pro anymore, but this is what it looked like. And as you see, I still have my SD card in there. But this new one doesn't have that, so that I'm gonna definitely miss that. But I'm just gonna, as soon as I'm done with this video, I'm gonna order it because I intended to use this today, and it'll be much easier if I could just plug my SD card in. Well, I'm used to that. I'm sure I'll find some other ways of doing things. But yeah, this design is so nice, and I want to show the inside. So this is what the keyboards look like, and actually pretty much the same width. I like that the screen is actually, it's the same size of like what you can see, but it's just not as big, so it's not as clunky. I actually had bought this a long time ago that I used to cover the actual keys, so maybe I'll get something like that for this. But may not be needed. The trackpad is a lot larger. It looks like almost double the size. Oh, it already synced with my messages. That's easy. So this is what the two look like next to each other, and I just like this one a lot better. It's more, the screen is, it's not as big, but the visuals of what you actually get to see is wider. So let me put my old clunky one back away. So yeah, if you want to see the video of how I've made this one last for 10 years and how I upgraded it to look like, you know, my current desktop, I'll link that. But I just want to show you some accessories that I bought to go with this. And I only got a couple things, but one main thing is the case, and the case came with the cover. So what I wanted to do was actually cover it because I don't like scratches. And you know what, I know this is the silver version, not the space gray. A lot of people are really into the space gray, but you know, I'm old school, and I like the look of the silver, and I knew I was gonna just cover it anyway. So yeah, and for a long time I had a cover on this one too. I had the purple cover, but then I just got tired of how it looked, and then it was just looking like kind of dirty, and I just took it off and never actually covered it again. So this one I got from Amazon. I want to make sure that it fits because when I searched for a 2020 case, but when I got it in the mail and I opened it, it said 2017. So, and the thing on Amazon clearly said 2020, specific. Oh, here, see? There you go. On the cover, let's try this. There you go. See, it says 2017 on there. And that's not what I'm looking for right now. So let's try this out and see if it works. And if it does, you know, I'll go ahead and link this at the bottom. Oh no. Let's try. Oh. Yeah, that was easy. Fits. Okay, that works. So now I have that cover on. Let's see if the back. Oh! This actually comes with the keyboard cover that I was just talking about. So it came with one. So I'll test that one out. Let's see if the back end of it fits. Seems to work. Let's see. I don't want to get too excited. Okay, that does fit. It does work. So that's the cover that I got from Amazon. So this is what it looks like, and I'll turn down the light so you can see it a little bit better, but it does fit. There we go. So I got this from Amazon, and I like it. Whenever I buy things, I don't, especially if it's very expensive, I don't want it to get scratched up real quick. And you know, if I'm going to be moving, I plan to be using this laptop where I'm moving around, taking it along with me, and yeah, the cover fits just fine. So even though it said 2017 on it, it, you know, worked fine. So let's try this little keyboard thing. And the reason why I like using these, or while I like this, I put this on my other laptop, my old laptop. Let's turn the light on again. Is because if you, well, when I was in college and stuff and I had laptops and I would be eating while I'm working, doing homework, I would get crumbs and stuff in the laptop, and I hated seeing the crumbs in the little, you know, the little crevices, and yeah, I just didn't like it. So having this actually kept the crumbs from going in there if I was going to be eating while I was working. And a lot of times you only have so much space on your desk wherever you're working on your laptop, whether that's at like a coffee shop, at Starbucks or something, and you know, you don't have as much room to spread out. So this was just to keep any crumbs, and I like it. I don't know if I like the white color, but that's what it came with. I actually like the way the black keys look, but this will do. But now I know if I want to order another one, I can just get another one. And let's see how it fits in this case I got too. And I like the case. So it's kind of like a marble, purple marble looking. And it's really nice and soft on the inside, so it'll keep it from scratching. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the laptop in there. One cool thing about this case too or the cover, is that it doesn't cover the Apple mirror, which is like a mirror now. My old laptop, it was just like a white you know, color, but this is like a little mirror. It is a mirror, not like a mirror, it is a mirror. So let's put that in here and see how that looks. Fits perfectly. Yeah, so this is what I'll be carrying it around. And I like how this fits. When I got this, actually, I thought it was like too small, but it is perfect. Alright, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, I hope that you stick around. Let me know if you want to see how I customize it, because I've been seeing some videos of customizing your MacBook, and I do want to test out some new things that I've learned. And yeah, if you want to see how I do that, go ahead and subscribe. On my channel, I focus on mom life and entrepreneurship content. I do a lot of planning and organizing. I have some organizing and decluttering videos coming up, and some room tours and room redecorating. So I have a lot of plans. So if you want to see all of that, be sure to subscribe. And a couple videos that I think you could check out are, one, the video of my home office tour. It's a pretty short video, but you can see how I set this up. And the only thing that's changed from that video is that I set up this, you know, screen, this large screen, and like my iMac look for cheap. So I'll link that video too, so you can check it out, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.